Section. Intro. If you're considering the GEEKOM A9 Max High AI, here's everything you need to know before making a decision. The GEEKOM A9 Max High AI is a powerful mini PC that offers exceptional performance, versatility, and value for its price. Section. Specs. The GEEKOM A9 Max High AI features a 12-core, 24-thread Zen 5 processor, which delivers impressive performance for both AI-assisted coding and professional content creation workflows. This processor is paired with up to 80 TOPS AI performance and a dedicated XDNA 2 NPU, 50 TOPS, making it ideal for tasks like machine learning, image generation, and local AI workflows. Additionally, the device boasts Radeon 890M graphics with 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units, providing smooth gameplay and immersive visuals for AAA games and esports titles. Section. Design. The GEEKOM A9 Max High AI is built with a premium all-metal chassis that offers excellent durability and thermal efficiency. The compact desktop computer features an Ice Blast 2.0 cooling system, copper heat sinks, dual heat pipes, and optimized airflow, ensuring stable performance during demanding workloads. The device's design also includes multiple USB ports, high-speed storage expansion, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and dual 2.5 GBE LAN ports. Section. Display. Unfortunately, this product does not have a screen or display. However, the GEEKOM A9 Max High AI is designed to be compact and visually appealing, making it suitable for placement on a desk or shelf. Section. Performance in real-world use. The GEEKOM A9 Max High AI delivers impressive performance, speed, and reliability. The device excels in tasks like 4K video editing, photo editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking, making it an excellent choice for professional content creators. Additionally, the device's AI capabilities make it ideal for software development, programming, virtualization, data analysis, and machine learning. Section. Pros and cons. While the GEEKOM A9 Max High AI offers exceptional performance and versatility, its high price may be a drawback for some users. However, considering its value and features, this device is an excellent choice for professionals, developers, and content creators who require powerful computing capabilities. Section. Verdict. Based on its impressive performance, versatility, and value, we highly recommend the GEEKOM A9 Max High AI for professional content creation workflows, software development, programming, virtualization, data analysis, and machine learning. It's worth considering if you're looking for a powerful mini PC that can handle demanding tasks with ease. Section. CTA. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description. Hopefully this helped you decide whether it's the right choice for your needs.